Hey guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Waalaikumsalam
Today,
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
today we will back to our routine in our class, our English class. Today our topic tenses about simple future tense. For the first things that we have to know is the definition of these tenses. Pengertiannya apa? Boleh dibantu bacakan, Ayu?
Oke. Simple future tense adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan bahwa suatu aksi terjadi di masa depan, secara spontan atau terencana. Biasanya tenses ini digunakan untuk menyatakan kegiatan-kegiatan yang akan kita lakukan di waktu-waktu masa depan. Oke.
Nah, dari definisinya saja kita lihat bahwa tenses ini digunakan untuk menerangkan suatu kegiatan yang akan dilakukan. Sebagai contoh, I will cook noodle tomorrow. Saya akan memasak mie tomorrow. Besok berarti dia merencanakan akan melakukan itu besok. They will meet up next month. Mereka akan bertemu bulan depan. Nah, ada beberapa adverb of time atau keterangan waktu atau time sinyal yang biasa digunakan dalam tenses ini. Itu ada beberapa time sinyal. Boleh dibantu bacakan, Duiko?
Adverb of time. Yang pertama, today atau hari ini. Contoh dalam kalimatnya, I will pick you up today. Dua, tonight, malam ini. Contohnya, he will not call you tonight. Tiga, tomorrow. Contohnya, Sheila on 7 will perform in JFC tomorrow. Empat, soon atau segera. Contohnya, I will finish my job soon. Kelima, next Saturday or week or month or year. Contohnya, Astrid will present her observation result next Monday. Yang keenam, at 7. Contoh dalam kalimatnya, my mom will fly to Jeddah at 9 tomorrow. Yang ketujuh, until December. Contoh dalam kalimatnya, I will be broken until December.
Oke. Itu ada 7 contoh time sinyal yang biasa digunakan dalam tenses ini. Atau ada beberapa hal lainnya time sinyal yang digunakan, tapi ini yang umumnya digunakan dalam tenses ini. Yang berikutnya kita lihat rumus umum dari penggunaan tenses ini. Rumus umum. Nah, ciri-cirinya tersendiri, simple future tense ini menggunakan modal sebagai kata bantu di dalam kalimatnya. Nah, kali ini yang kita akan bahas adalah will dan shall. Ada beberapa catatan dari will dan shall ini. Will digunakan untuk semua objek, sedangkan shall digunakan untuk subjek I dan we saja. Biasanya ini digunakan untuk bahasa yang sedikit lebih formal. Serta untuk will dan shall atau beberapa modal lainnya itu harus diikuti, catat ya, beberapa modal itu harus diikuti dengan verb 1. Meskipun itu singular atau plural sentence, dia tetap diikuti dengan verb 1. Ada beberapa formula yang digunakan dalam membangun sebuah kalimat simple future tense. Boleh dibantu bacakan, Najmi? Ya, Najmi? Atau Duiko? Duiko saja. Tolong bacakan, Duiko.
Jenis kalimat yang pertama positif. Formulanya as ditambah will or shall ditambah verb 1. Contohnya, they will get many problems soon. Jenis kalimat kedua yaitu negatif. Formulanya as ditambah will or shall plus not plus verb 1. Contohnya, they will not get many problems soon. Jenis kalimat yang ketiga yaitu yes or no question. Formulanya will or shall plus subject plus verb 1. Contohnya, will they get many problems soon?
Formula, ada satu formula lagi di bawahnya. Nah, untuk WH question.
Oke, yang keempat WH question. Formulanya WH plus will or shall plus subject plus verb one. Contoh kalimatnya, why will they get many problems soon?
Nah, the next one is kita harus tahu function atau kapan saja kalimat ini digunakan. Nah, itu ada dua function yang kita bahas di kesempatan kali ini. Boleh dibantu bacakan, Raffi?
Nomor 1, fungsi menyatakan hal yang akan dilakukan di masa depan atau dalam waktu dekat di masa mendatang. Contohnya, it won't rain tomorrow. Besok enggak akan hujan. 2, membuat keputusan spontan saat berbicara. What can we do this evening? Aha, we will watch a movie. Ngapain ya kita malam ini? Aha, kita akan nonton film.
Okay. Before we start our quiz, I have two kinds of quiz for you guys. Any question, guys, about this tenses? Or langsung saja kita masuk ke quiz pertama kita.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, langsung ke quiz ya. For practice one. Yang pertama, Miss minta Najmi. For the fifth question, you will translate the sentence into the negative sentence.
Number 5.
Yeah, number 5 in negative sentence.
Mr. Lang will not buy apartment next year. Oh, Mr. Lang will not buy new apartment next year.
Okay, how about Ayu? Ayu, can you give me the answer for the first question, Ayu, in positive sentence? Pardon me, Ayu? Okay, how about Dwiko? Can
Number
you give
one,
me the
Miss.
answer? Yeah, in positive sentence.
Wait, Miss. What will you doing tonight?
Doing, kamu akan menulis.
What will you write tonight?
What will you write tonight? Okay. Nice. The next one is how about Raffi? Can you tell me about the third question, Raffi?
Yes, in negative or positive, ma'am.
Can you give me both of them? Positive and negative sentence.
Understood. Bernard will release a new single next month. Bernard will not release a new single next month.
Okay, next, Raffi. Nah, the last one, Ayu, Wahyu Wulandari. How about you,
Yes,
Ayu?
I can answer number 3 in positive sentence. Oh, sorry.
Okay. How about the fifth question? The fifth question. You will give me the
Yes, I
positive
can.
sentence.
Yes, I can. Mr. Lang will buy apartment next sorry. Mr. Lang will buy new apartment next year.
Oh, it's nice from you all, from all of you guys. Okay, the next one, I think this is the simple things for you. The next quiz is, I will ask you guys to give me one sentence for will, for modal will, and one sentence and use shall. I will give you 3 minutes, guys. Only 3 minutes to give me the example from the modal shall and will. Or can I ask you for only 1 or 2 minutes, guys?
Yes.
Okay, I will waiting for you.
Saya udah dapat nih.
Okay, Ayu for the first about will. What
Okay.
sentence that
I
you
will
get?
finish this job until you are satisfied. For will.
Oh, okay. The shall Ayu.
I shall never forget the help you give me.
Can you give me the will sentence? Will negative sentence.
Okay. Will ya.
Yeah, negative sentence.
I will not finish this job until you are satisfied.
Oh, nice Ayu. Who's the next? Dwiko, have you finished?
Not yet, Miss.
Okay. Raffi, how about you, Raffi?
Shall I cook tonight? Will you sing tomorrow?
Oh, yeah. But will?
Will you sing tomorrow?
Oh, it's nice, Raffi. Good job. How about Najmi? Have you make your quiz?
Sorry, miss, I can hear your voice.
Okay, Najmi. Have you finished your sentence?
Oh, yeah, I'm finished.
Okay, but
Okay.
shall. I will hear the shall in negative sentence from you. Shall.
I shall not study tonight.
Oh, yeah. About will.
Okay, and I
In
will.
interrogative sentence. In interrogative
Interrogative.
sentence.
Will I come to your birthday party tonight?
Oh, awesome, awesome. The last one is Dwiko. How about you, Dwiko? I still waiting for you.
Yes, Miss. I'm ready.
Okay, tell me.
Yang will, I will eat noodle today.
Okay. How about shall? In interrogative sentence.
Shall I eat noodle today?
Oh. Is it the right sentences, Najmi? Do you think that Dwiko's sentences are correct or not?
Okay, can you repeat, Dwiko? I can hear.
Shall I eat noodle today?
Cool. You forget
Shall
about
I noodle today?
you wrong. because you use shall. No, 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 shall, yes, yeah.
So the right or not sentences, Najmi?
I think it's correct.
Ayu, I will ask you. Coba bikin kalimat bahasa Inggrisnya dalam simple future tense. Mereka akan datang ke rumahmu besok. Sorry, Ayu.
Wait, Miss.
Oke. Mereka akan datang ke rumahmu besok. Untuk Raffi, sorry Raffi,
Yes.
coba bikin kalimat apakah satpam itu akan mengunjungi rumahmu minggu depan? Apakah satpam itu akan mengunjungi rumahmu minggu depan?
Okay, Miss. I can answer now.
Ayu?
They will come to your home tomorrow.
Oh, Georgios Ayu. Can you give me the negative sentence from the statement? The negative sentence.
Okay. They will not come to your home tomorrow.
About interrogative sentence.
Not yet.
You can use the modal will as the first word in your sentences.
Okay, I can. Will they come to your home tomorrow?
Oh, okay, Ayu. It's nice. Okay, how about Raffi? Have you finished?
Yes.
What?
Yes. Is the security guard will come to your house next week?
Bagaimana Najmi? Is that the correct or not?
Yes, Miss, it's correct.
How about you, Najmi? Can you give me a sentence in your own words? About the WH question that use simple future tense.
Wait, Miss.
Okay, Dwiko, can you give me a sentence with WH question that used simple future tense? How about you, Dwiko?
I don't understand, Miss.
Okay, Dwiko. The same question to Najmi. Can you give me a sentence that used WH question with simple future tense? Can you catch it?
I will try, Miss, to answer.
Okay, Dwiko, what?
Why will they get punishment next week?
Oh, nice, Dwiko. How about Najmi?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. How about you?
Will you keep? Wait. I'm sorry, Miss.
Ya, Najmi.
When my answer is when will you buy my book? When will you buy this book?
About the time sinyal? Adverb of time.
When will you buy this book? Tonight?
How about you, Raffi? Do you think that Najmi's sentence is correct or not?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, guys. Any question, guys, before we close our class today?
No,
No,
Miss.
Miss.
No, Miss.
Can I think that your word no question is you were understand about my explanation, guys?
Yes.
Yes, understand, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you to be kind today, guys.
Yes, Miss.
I think
Miss.
all of you understand with my explanation, so
So what, Miss?
we close our class with hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Okay, guys, see you.
See you.
See you, Miss.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.